Hi guys, your girl Yammi's coming to you from the Skyliner. Yeah. Oh. We're taking the Skyliner from Hollywood Studios over to Epcot, and we're going to spend a day at Epcot. But we like parking and riding the Skyliner over. It's just something fun about it. So that's what we're doing, and we're also doing hidden Mickeys around the World Showcase. So we'll see how many Mickeys we can find. I was looking through my book, and unfortunately, we're not going to be able to find all of them at Epcot because a lot of them were here where the electric umbrella was. So right around, you know, Spaceship Earth, that area, a lot of them are gone now. So we said we'll do the World Showcase and see what we can find walking around there. So wish us luck.
In just a few moments, we will be traveling over the headwaters of the Everglades. The water that flows from the protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico.
Alright, this totem pole. And I'm up by the Raven, by the wings. You're supposed to be able to see a hidden Mickey. And I'm not seeing it. I'm going to zoom in for you guys. Tell me if you see it. I don't see it. No, I don't see it. This is the refreshment hut. And it's supposed to have a hidden Mickey somewhere across from it on a wood piece of wood. So I've checked all this wood and it's not anywhere to be here because there's the refreshment cart. So that's the only other place it would be in this area here. So I'm thinking it's another hidden Mickey that is no longer around. Alright, I'm going to get close as I can here. But there's the totem pole. I was looking on the wings. It's not on the wings. It's actually right next to the wings. Right there. Alright, we ended up getting a passion fruit mousse and an empanada. Yummy. You excited, Boo?
I think.
You think?
Yeah.
Does that look scary to you?
It looks weird. It jiggles.
It jiggles like Jello.
Yeah.
It might be Jello. You never know.
Okay.
Alright, so now we are in Italy and we're going to go to see Neptune. Let's find Neptune. Neptune! Woohoo! Neptune! Are you around? Oh, wait a minute. I think I see Neptune. Okay, here's Neptune. So now we're going to look on this side and see. Oh, wait a minute. I think.
Oh, that's the big.
That's it right there.
Oh, wow.
The big thing right there.
Yeah, right behind you.
What am I? Oh, okay.
Okay, I see him. Did I see him? There he is, right there. All right, I'm in China now, and you come over to. This is the only hidden Mickeys. Oh, let me just gonna. Okay, you come over here to the circular temple building, and there's the only hidden Mickeys that are here are up above the eaves. Let me see if I can get up there. Alright, if you look right in the center of the screen are 3 balls. It's an upside down Mickey, and they're all the way around the building. So that is the only one in China. Future Tammy here. I did not do a closing on this video. I got so tired, it was just time to go, so we ended up having to leave. But I hope you enjoyed it. We found a few hidden Mickeys. I'm going to try to do more next time, but I don't want to do all of them because, like I said, I want you guys to be able to find some of them. So there's just a few on each video, but I'll always be going back, and anytime I see a hidden Mickey, I'll be sure to show you guys where the hidden Mickey is. Alright guys, if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.